Welcome back, Mongo Fix. This is the 03 Suburban. Remember we changed out all the brake lines on it? Well, Mongo think this thing need a facelift. Mongo picked this up at a garage sale for $100. Guys say it come off an 04 Yukon. Those mounting locations don't quite look right. But maybe they had custom mounts. This is just aluminum. It's super lightweight. Mongo like that. Easy for one person. Want to keep the factory tow hooks just because, regular tow hooks, they come in handy for lots of things. And look like... Yep, pretty close. Well, she bolted up real good. And Mongo say that pretty strong. Mongo know what you're thinking. These are kind of small brackets. But with this brush guard being just aluminum, you don't really need much thicker steel than that for a bracket. Still got the factory tow hooks, because it's good to have a good place to tow and recover from. Well, hopefully this video helped you if you ever want to put a garage sale brush guard or grill guard, whatever you want to call them, on your truck. Pretty sure this one was not for an 03 Suburban, but it might have been. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.